Hello friends. Today we are repairing a power supply unit from a Tesla TV set-top box. Output 5 volts, 1 amp. Let's connect it to the network and listen to the sound the unit makes. There is a squeak noise. Let's take it apart and see what's going on. I already have some suggestions. Friends, as a rule, the whistling comes from the capacitors. Now I will clean off the old flux, and then we will desolder the old capacitors and check them. The element was found. Here, look. The capacitor is 470 microfarad at 10 volts. It shows as 356 picofarad. That's what's whistling. I unsoldered it. I also measured the neighboring one. Its ISR was too high. ISR was around 10. And a little too low, not 470 but 320 microfarad. It also failed. I replaced it. I'm replacing this one now too. The two input capacitors are normal. I have some from the donor board on the 10-volt line. We'll replace them now. They are not new, they were removed from the donor. Let's see. If they don't match, I'll throw it out. Let's try again. Here. ESR 1.1 ohm and 400 microfarads. It will work fine. Now we turn on the soldering station. I'll solder it in and we'll check. Done. So we'll throw on the terminal block and supply it with 220 volts. Let's see how much is on the NAS output, or even better, we'll connect the console right away. Turn it on and listen. The squeak is gone. Here we have a green indicator lit up. The power supply works. The problem was in the capacitor. The problem was fixed. We assemble it into a case and give it to the owner. Let's take another look. We connect the power supply. And the green indicator lights up. The power supply is repaired. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe, like, good luck with your repairs. Bye.